See the picture of transverse wave. This is the crest and trough in a transverse wave. There are crest and troughs, consecutive crest and troughs are there. So this is the, we can say, perpendicular waves. The particles of the medium vibrate at perpendicular to the propagation of the wave. Particles of the medium vibrate at right angles to the direction of propagation of the wave. Next one is your longitudinal waves. So what is longitudinal waves? A wave in which the particles of the medium vibrate in the same direction in which wave is propagating is called a longitudinal wave. For example, a spring motion, we can say motion or the